Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to allow or disable URL Fopen directly from your cPanel. So once you're on your cPanel, what you're going to just do is to scroll down or you just search from here, just search for select PHP version. So once this is the one you're going to select, you are going to make use of. So, or you can just scroll down and go to where you have this is it. Under your software, you're going to see select PHP version. So just click on select PHP version, then you give it a couple of, it might take some seconds for it to load out. So you just patiently wait for it to load. Now you can see mine has loaded. So now what you're going to be doing now, you're going to navigate where you have options. So you are going to click on option, and if you notice from here, it's telling me that I'm using the native PHP version. If you're having this error, what you just simply do is to change your PHP version. Just change it to probably the latest one and click on apply. Now from here you can see allow URL Fopen. So now we're going to, right now mine is already allowed. So now if I want to disable it, just wanting to click on it, and as you can see will take effect. Option has been disabled. So now if I want to enable it, I'll just click on it and it's going to enable. So that is just how to go about it. So this is the easiest way you can allow or disable your URL Fopen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.